What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. In today's video we have great news from Misaka team. They used the new exploit that was released a couple of hours ago and they updated the Misaka application, which now can be installed on iOS 16.6, 16.6.1, 16.6.2.7, whatever you want. So this can now support a lot more iOS versions and we're going to get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by ForMaKey, a software that allows you to unlock the screen passcode, remove iCloud activation from secondhand devices, and you can of course turn off the camera sound, remove Apple ID, and so on. This is useful if you got scammed on eBay or Facebook groups or any other marketplaces and you got a locked device, but this does work only on iPhone 10 and older. Definitely check the program out in the link below. There's a free trial available for both Windows and Mac OS. So just a couple of hours ago we got Misaka 8.0.0, which is now available, and it does include support for KFD POF Lenda, which is the new kernel exploit that was just released and supports basically everything under iOS 17.0. Any version of iOS 16 is supported. So this applies for the newer devices as well. The iPhone XS, XS Max, 10R, 11, 12, 14, 13, whatever. So this does support the modern devices and you can now install Misaka on those devices. It also comes with Apple TV support, so the version 8.0, which is now available here in IPA format, does include Apple TV support for who needs that, and you can install it on iOS 16.7.4 and lower. Now, of course, many of those iOS versions, 16.7.4 and stuff, are only available for some devices, especially those that do not support iOS 17, but even for newer devices that only have iOS 16.6.1, you can install it on those as well, because the KFD POF Lenda, which was just released, this one supports all devices, and yeah, this is actually quite great, and we will be able to get a jailbreak from this. Michael said, POF Lenda, a new KFD exploit patch in iOS 17.0, iOS 16.5.1 now has everything needed for a jailbreak. 16.6.x needs a PPL bypass, but now has everything needed for TrollStore installation. So this is very powerful. In fact, it's insanely powerful as an exploit, and we will be able to get a jailbreak from this very soon. We do have Misaka now available, which means you can now install tweaks and themes without being jailbroken, even on iOS 16.6.1 on your iPhone 14, 13 and stuff. For those of you who are unaware, Misaka allows you to install tweaks, themes, modifications to the iOS, even if you're not jailbroken. You can even install TrollStore using Misaka, which is great, and there are multiple things you can change from the settings application to the icons and to theming and stuff, and these do not require any sort of jailbreaking. You can definitely check it out in the link below. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.